I've always wondered how underwater piers are built. It's not that hard. First, we simply put a big bucket in the sea. The inside is made up of a number of reinforced structures. Workers will pour concrete in the interlayer. Then the seawater inside is drained so that there's room to move around, but the bucket can easily be washed away by the sea. So the center has to be supported by several layers or filled with rebar and concrete partway through. But at this point, the piers are not reliable because it's not built on a solid layer of rock. Workers followed the pipes underneath the piers to remove all the loose silt from the sea floor, so the abutment will slowly sink under its own weight. When it touches the rock, the space at the bottom will be filled with rebar, and the entire bucket will be filled with concrete. 90 years ago, the U.S. used this method to build the piers for the Golden Gate Bridge. The bridge still stands today, but then came a more convenient method. The buckets were made in advance on land and upgraded to a lattice form, and then they were transported to a designated location and dropped on the ocean floor. The same way the workers cleaned out the silt from the foundation, and then the lattice is filled with concrete, and that's it. And then there's the other one, the piling method. First, a hollow pipe is put into the water. A machine removes the loose sediment, puts in the pre-made rebar, and pours in the concrete. Repeat this for a few piers, and you have a simple abutment. It is also possible to place several small piers around each other and fill them with concrete to make a large hole. This way, you get a bigger pier.